Hi there, it's Adam at Follington, and today I'm showing you around this 2019 Skoda Fabia 1 litre Colour Edition. Finished in the red with the contrasted black alloy wheels, the dual tone black and white roof. Really stands out as a unique car, lovely to drive. Great spec on it, and as well with the rear parking sensors with a park pilot display on the touchscreen center console. On the inside you've got a mix between the grey and black cloth with some checkered stitching. Cruise control on the left indicator. And there's your touchscreen, which has Apple CarPlay, which allows for sat nav and music streaming. Just done over 32,100 miles. Great service history. Just a car to drive. If you'd like to see it for yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch. So thank you very much for watching. We'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks now. Bye.